You're watching the Alabama Weather Network.
It's Tuesday, the 11th of November. This is James Spann. We have a frigid start to the day. Temperatures near record levels. But the good news, we warm up nicely for the rest of the week. And, of course, the other big question is, when does rain return? We still need a lot of rain to break the drought we have over the southern two-thirds of the state. So we'll go through it all. This is the upper air look this morning. Big, deep, cold trough over the eastern states. And that is the reason it's so cold this morning. That trough will be lifting out over the next 24 hours. And, of course, with a clear sky, we've got nothing. We had the light snow flurries over parts of North Alabama yesterday, but those are long gone. So these observations were taken at 5 o'clock this morning. These are not lows. They will come down another degree or two. But it's cold enough. We've got 21 at 5 o'clock for Huntsville and Gadsden. Hamilton 22, Birmingham 26. Gulf Shores 34, but again, you need to take off about 2 degrees, and those will likely be the lows for this morning. And it's likely a number of record lows will be established across the state. And needless to say, we have freeze warnings all the way across the Deep South into the Florida Panhandle this morning. And other than the cold weather here across the Deep South, things are pretty quiet around the nation today. And needless to say, with a dry, stable, cool air mass in place, we're not going to worry about thunderstorms today. Tomorrow, maybe some thunder for the northern coast of California, and the same thing on day 3, which is Thursday, but no severe storms anywhere across the country. Rain for the next 7 days. We do need rain, and this is valid through Tuesday morning of next week. And numbers like this will not break a drought, obviously. Rain amounts under a half inch, mostly under a quarter inch for the state, and this is for any showers we see Monday night, or Tuesday morning of next week. The latest model output has trended much drier for Sunday night and Monday, suggesting it might be the middle of next week before a decent chance of rain returns. And I do think the pattern will be very active toward the end of next week into that following weekend. It'll look a lot more like November. But again, this is the latest drought monitor, and again, we'll get the new update on Thursday. But the southern two-thirds of the state remains in drought conditions. Tropics stick a fork in it, at least for the Gulf. I think we're done for the year. Next hurricane near us should be sometime next summer. And hopefully we will not have one near us next summer. All right, model fans, here we go. European, 4 o'clock today. OZ run, that big trough is sweeping off the Atlantic coast, and a warming trend begins this afternoon. The sky sunny, most spots in the 50s today. Tomorrow, a sunny day with highs in the 60s. Thursday, a sunny day with low 70s for much of the state. And Friday, a beautiful day, sunny with highs between 70 and 77 degrees. What about the weekend? Saturday looks good. Highs in the 70s, lots of sunshine, a beautiful day for college football or anything else. And again, we're seeing the European trending drier Sunday. And accordingly, we're going to take out the chance of showers. And even Monday at this point looks dry. And you can see rain well to the west, Dallas-Fort Worth, Shreveport, Little Rock. And this is a week from today, Tuesday, the 17th. Got a trough over Oklahoma, and that short wave is moving our way. That will likely bring our next chance of rain. So again, evidence it might be during the day Tuesday or maybe into Wednesday of next week before a decent chance of rain returns. Let's go at 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 20th of November. Big trough digging down into Texas, and again, evidence the weather could be a little unsettled with a chance of showers. So it looks like we're going to get into an unsettled pattern beginning about Tuesday or Wednesday of next week that could linger through the rest of next week into the following weekend. The weekend of the 22nd and 23rd. Here's a look at rain for the next 15 days. We're looking for the green line on this chart. That's the mean of the ensemble members, and it's been waffling just over or under 2 inches. Today it's over 2 inches. This is valid between now and the 26th of November. Temperatures coming off the national blend of models. You can see the Warm up, 50s today, 60s tomorrow, low 70s by Friday and the weekend. And next week, highs mostly in the 60s, lows around 50. And really, once we get past tomorrow morning, we should be above freezing for a while. And the latest long-range guidance in the house, this is for November 18th through the 24th. Temperatures a little above average. So, again, this might be the last freeze for a couple of weeks, but it was a good one this morning, no doubt about that. But hey, looky here. This is Alabama on the 10th of November. These were some of the snow flurries that came down up in Jackson County in northeast Alabama. And as advertised, we had no accumulation, we had no impact, but it certainly was the talk of the town. These videos coming in from up around Rosalie and Stevenson up in Jackson County yesterday, but nice to see a few snowflakes flying through the air. This was Gatlinburg, Tennessee last night. And, of course, the accumulating snow is up in the high elevations of the Great Smokies, where they had a good snow cover there. So let's check the schedule. Today I will be in Columbiana at the 4-H Center for a youth leadership conference. Then I'll be doing a talk at UAB on the UAB campus. Tomorrow, Springville Middle School in St. Clair County. Thursday, Thorsby High School in Chilton County. And Friday, going to be at Bagley Elementary School up on the around the Walker-Jefferson County line, up around Doris Summerton Sayre. Looking forward to seeing the kids there. Catch me this evening on ABC 3340 News, and don't forget, you can hear my forecast on great radio stations around the state, including at Birmingham, 98.7 KISS. Thanks for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and God bless.